And 3, 2, 1. Spot speed RPM, 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 and flare.
Settling with power.
Okay, I'm going to slow down my speed. I'm going to get it into a nice manifold pressure. Alright, so I'm going to slow down my speed and I'm going to go for a descent because I need 300 feet per minute. Alright, I am NETL. I am greater than 300 and I have a loss of power. So now my collective is not as efficient. So I'm going to duck out of it, gain my airspeed, and then recover.
Alright. And 3, 2, 1. Do another.
Okay, so forward speed, get some altitude. And 3, 2, 1. Alright, so winds are the same because of the windsock. Obstacle looks good, the same. I don't see any others. I see like a little fire pit now or something on that side, but that's far away. The road still looks good. Feel my descent a bit. And path in, path out. I'm going to go with the same game plan. So I like the same game plan of going in with path in, path out. And suitability. I do believe it is still suitable. It looks good. A little bit of an angle, so I'm going to make sure my right skid touches down first, but otherwise it looks good. Alright, and I'm going for it.
Alright.
Go. Alright, so I'm going to line myself up a little bit nicer. Make sure I am coordinated in my turns. That would probably help nicely. I'm going to get a little distance away.
Yeah, go ahead and
chase in.
Start breaking around.
Okay. Keep my speeds up.
Alright, gotta slow down a little bit there.
I'm going forward. Keep a little forward.
Alright, go ahead and depart.
Okay. Oh, someone waved at us?
Yeah, the guy's just standing there in his car watching us.
Oh.